Okay, this was requested, so yeah, I'm gonna do more face stuff. I don't really feel like setting up and stuff right now, so I'm gonna just do this where my makeup is normally. I said it's so sad in the clip, I promise I wasn't crying. Okay, we're just starting with primer because that's what you do when you do makeup, like, every time. Then I'm not using contacts today because they expired, and I don't feel like spending money on Deku because I hate Deku. But yeah, now I'm just doing normal foundation, NYX shade pale, yeah, blend it in. Then I'm just taking a normal concealer and putting it in the areas shown. Then I just blend that in. Now I'm just taking some random contour stick and doing my jawline because, yeah, I look like a chubby little boy if I don't. And then do minimal contour on your cheekbones because Deku has not cheekbones. And then on your nose because just anime. Then I just powder because I don't want to look shiny and cakey. And then I just kind of take a dark green eyeshadow and slap it all over my brows and not make it too fancy, I guess. And then get this brush wet, like a blush brush or something, and then shake it out until it's like the size of freckles you want. Dip it in like a contour or a dark brown eyeshadow and just kind of like put it on your cheeks, dab it lightly until you get the amount of freckles you want. It makes it look really natural, but you can also add extras with a brush. I just haven't done that. And then I just take a red, orange-ish eyeshadow and blend it around my eye to make my eyes look puffy and red. And then I do that same color on my lips and then on my nose to make me look sick because that's apparently what anime people look like in real life. Then I'm just doing mascara because Deku is a femboy, I swear. Oh my gosh, yeah, mascara. Then I do that same like brown underline thing I do for Todoroki if you saw that video. And it just makes your eyes look more sunken in anime, bigger. And then I do like that same line on the top I also do for Todoroki. And then I'm just throwing highlighter on with my hands because who needs brushes when you have fingers? I put that on my nose, my lips, and then my inner eyes. And then I just take like a pinker version of the highlighter and put it on my lid. It just makes my eyes stand out more. And then I just put lip gloss on because that's what I do. I don't know, Exo Nova stan. And then setting spray, and we're done. Anyways, yeah, that's my quick Deku makeup that was requested by a few people. I hope it was helpful if you cosplay Deku. I don't have my contacts, I know it's sad, but anyways, that's the video. Yeah, bye.